not an issue. She took the drugs herself.
Remember how can you guess them cards without even looking?
Yeah.
Nice try, Miss.
I think this is actually...
Declan, shut up.
It's black letter.
Shut up. I'm playing with the dog.
Exigent circumstances.
Tickle, tickle.
Your Honor, the officers weren't
High five.
seeking for a murder
High
weapon.
five.
They were merely seeking to prevent
I got a high five.
asthma,
High five.
who
Good
was
boy.
obviously in
High five.
serious need of
High
medical
10.
Call me crazy. But if I were trying to save his own life, my first reaction would have been to call a doctor, not look to see what kind of fiddle she was playing.
They were searching for drugs, Your Honor.
Unfortunately, I happen to be one of the few jurists who actually believe the bloody glove should have been excluded. The confession's in. The knife's out.
It was me. I did it. Could mean anything.
In context, a jury might believe Megan was confessing to the murder.
What?
With any other lawyer, maybe. Michelle Cates could convince a
What?
jury Jeffrey Dahmer had an eating disorder.
Megan lied to the police. She was an hour late to the
It
practice.
was without evidence.
So can I take my vacation now?
Do you want something to do? Find out why she did it.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, the evidence against him, we just can't use it.
I mean, Megan is the last person you'd expect to kill someone. Well, she knows that we're always together. There were jokes, about how close they were. But none of it was true.
Are you sure?